Let's begin practice set 6.4. Practice set 6.4 is combination of practice set 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. So if you know how to solve the problems of practice set 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, you can solve problem set 6.4. If you don't know practice set 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, it will be difficult for you to solve 6.4. So I advise you just watch the videos of practice set 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, practice those problems and then start solving problems from 6.4. Simplify. First question, m square minus n square upon m plus n whole square into m square plus mn plus n square upon m cube minus n cube. Before you simplify the things, you should know the formulae and apply the formulae. Now m square minus n square is nothing but m plus n and m minus n. So write down m plus n, m minus n upon m plus n whole square means m plus n multiplied twice. So m plus n, m plus n into m square plus mn plus n square does not have any factor. So write it as it is. It cannot be factorized. Upon m cube minus n cube. The formula is m minus n because it is minus. So here it is minus into m square plus mn plus n square. So you have written all the values. Now try to cancel. Here m plus n gets cancelled with m plus n. M minus n gets cancelled with m minus n. And m square plus mn plus n square gets cancelled with m square plus mn plus n square. So this gets cancelled with this gets cancelled with this, and this gets cancelled with this. What remains is only m plus n in the denominator. So we'll write it is equal to 1 upon m plus n. Second question, a square plus 10a plus 21 upon a square plus 6a minus 7 into a square minus 1 upon a plus 3. Let's write the solution. Dear students, we'll do this by parts. That means we try to solve the algebraic expressions separately one by one. So let's start with a square plus 10a plus 21. A square plus 10a plus 21. Now last term is 21. So just write 21. Try to take factor in such a way that total is 10. So 7 3s are 21. 21 is plus. So here plus 7 and plus 3. So you are having factors plus 7 and plus 3. Split the middle term and write a square plus 7a plus 3a plus 21. Take a common, a plus 7 plus 3, a plus 7. That will give you a plus 7, a plus 3. Number 1. Let's go to second, a square minus 1, which can be written as a square minus 1 the whole square. It is of the form a square minus b square. So you know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So using this formula you can write a plus 1 and a minus 1, which is your second expression. Now come to a square plus 6a minus 7. It is minus 7. So I'll just find out the difference between two factors such that it is 6. So I'll write 7 1 just 7. Since it is minus, One will be plus, one will be minus. Middle term has plus sign, so plus will go to the bigger number, bigger factor, and then minus will go to the smaller factor. So we'll be writing a square plus 7a minus a minus 7. Take a common. A plus 7 minus 1 into a plus 7. That will give you a plus 7 into a minus 1. Third expression. Now from 1, 2 and 3 put the values. So a square plus 10a plus 21 upon a square plus 6a minus 7 into a square minus 1 upon a plus 3 can be written as a plus 7 a plus 3 upon a plus 7 a minus 1 into a plus 1 into a minus 1 upon a plus 3. I have just substituted the values and then I'll try to cancel. Now a plus 7 gets cancelled with a plus 7, a plus 3 gets cancelled with a plus 3, and a minus 1 gets cancelled with a minus 1. What remains is a plus 1. So your answer is a plus 1. Third question. 8x cube minus 27y cube upon 4x square minus 9y square. Again, it's better to simplify or the factorize the given algebraic expression separately. So 8x cube minus 27y cube can be written as 2x cube minus 3y cube. So it is of the form a cube minus b cube. So you can use the formula a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That is first term cube minus second term cube is equal to first term minus second term, in bracket first term square plus first term into second term plus second term square. So it can be written as 2x minus 3y in bracket 2x the whole square plus 2x into 3y first term into second term plus 3y square, which is the second term square. Simplify and write it as 2x minus 3y into 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. Now second algebraic expression 4x square minus 9y square, which can be written as 2x square minus 3y square. Use the formula a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. So here you can write 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. Mark it as second. Now write the question. 8x cube minus 27y cube upon 4x square minus 9y square. Put the values. So when you put the values, you will write 2x minus 3y into 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. Now here 2x minus 3y and 2x minus 3y gets cancelled. What remains is 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x plus 3y, which is your answer. Fourth question. X square minus 5x minus 24 upon x plus 3 x plus 8 into x square minus 64 upon x minus 8 the whole square. Whatever you find difficult, try to find the factors separately. So I'll just write x square minus 5x minus 24 minus 24. I'll have the factors 3 8s are 24. Here it is minus sign, so one will be plus, one will be minus. Middle term is minus, so minus goes to the bigger factor minus 8 and plus 3, that means plus goes to the smaller factor. So x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 24. Here middle term is splitted, which can be written as x plus 3 minus 8x plus 3. Take common x plus 3, you will get x minus 8. So x plus 3 into x minus 8. Mark it first. Now x square minus 64 can be written as x square minus 8 square. Again using the same formula, a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b, one time plus into one time minus. So here we'll write x plus 8 into x minus 8. Mark it second. Now write the equation x square minus 5x minus 24 upon x plus 3 into x plus 8 into x square minus 64 upon x minus 8 the whole square. Now put the values from first and second. This x square minus 5x minus 24 can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 8. X plus 3, x plus 8 is as it is, into this can be written as x plus 8 into x minus 8 upon x minus 8 whole square, means x minus 8 into x minus 8. Now try to cancel. Here x plus 3 gets cancelled with x plus 3, x minus 8 gets cancelled with x minus 8, x plus 8 gets cancelled with x plus 8, and this x minus 8 gets cancelled with x minus 8. Nothing remains, that means one time, so the answer is 1. Fifth question, 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square minus 7x minus 6 upon x square minus 4. Here I'll try to find out the factors of all the 4 algebraic expressions. So I'll see here 3x square minus x minus 2, it is not monic, so 3 gets multiplied with 6, 3 2s are 6 with minus sign, so negative 6, a minus 6. I'll get 2 factors, 3 and 2, difference is 1. X has minus sign, middle term has minus sign, so minus will go to the bigger factor and plus goes to the smaller, so minus 3 plus 2. Now which is equal to 3x square minus 3x plus 2x, because factors are minus 3 and 2, minus 2. Now take common 3x, you get x minus 1 plus, here 2 gets common, so 2 is common, and x minus 1. You are having x minus 1, x minus 1 common, so write x minus 1 into 3x and plus 2, so 3x plus 2. Mark it first. Same way 3x square minus 7x minus 6, so 3 6 are 18 with minus sign, so minus 18. Your factor says that difference is 7 is 9 and 2, middle term has minus sign, so minus sign will go to the bigger factor, that is minus 9, and plus goes to smaller factor, that means plus 2. So your factors are minus 9 and plus 2. So middle term can be written as minus 9x plus 2x. So write 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. Take 3x common, so 3x is gone out, so x minus 3 plus 2 is common, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 common, so write x minus 3, and here 3x plus 2, so 3x plus 2, mark it second. Now third, x square minus 7x plus 12, it is monic, so 12, factor of 12 plus 12 will be 3 and 4, middle term is minus, so both the factors will be minus to get it plus, so minus 3 minus 4, so x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12, take x common, x minus 3 minus 4 into x minus 3, x minus 3 is once again common, so x minus 3 and x minus 4, so x minus 3 into x minus 4, mark it third. Now x square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 2 square, which will be x plus 2, x minus 2. X square minus 2 square, which can be written as x plus 2, x minus 2, because a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, that is 1 time plus and a minus b. So here x plus 2, x minus 2. Now write the equation. 3x square minus x minus 12 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square minus 7x minus 6 upon x square minus 4. Now my dear students, here it is division, so you have to convert into multiplication. When you convert into multiplication, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. That means you will invert or you will take the reciprocal. So you will write 3x square minus x minus 12 upon x square minus 7x plus 12. X square minus 4 is now numerator, which was denominator, and your numerator 3x square minus 7x minus 6 will become denominator. Now put the values. Once you put the values, you will write x minus 1 into 3x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 into x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3 into 3x plus 2, and this you will write here from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you are just getting it from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now try to cancel. Now which can be cancelled here? So you can cancel 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Remaining terms will be as it is. So it will be x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 4. You can stop here also. You can stop here also, or you can write x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2. This x minus 3 multiplied twice will give you x minus 3 the whole square into x minus 4. That is your fifth answer. Sixth question, 4x square minus 11x plus 6 upon 16x square minus 9. Try to find the factors of 4x square minus 11x plus 6. So just write 4x square minus 11x plus 6. 4 6 are 24. Try to take the factors as plus 24. So both the factors will be minus or plus. So minus 3 and minus 8. So 4x square minus 3x minus 8x plus 6. Take x common, 4x minus 3. Take 2 common here from 8x plus 6. You will get 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 can be written as a common. What you get is x minus 2. So x minus 2 into 4x minus 3. Next expression, 16x square minus 9, which can be written as 4x square minus 3 square, which is of the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, already you know it is a plus b, a minus b. So 4x minus 3, 4x plus 3. Mark it second. Write the equation. 4x square minus 11x plus 6 upon 16x square minus 9. Put the values, x minus 2 into 4x minus 3 upon 4x minus 3, 4x plus 3, 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 gets cancelled. What remains is x minus 2 upon 4x plus 3, which is your final answer. This way we completed practice set 6.4. I hope you understood.
Audio